What is up, guys? Welcome to our channel. I'm Sanat Kumar from cyberscamreview.com, and on today's video, guys, I'm going to be showing you one of the easiest service you can ever use to get your money back from any kind of online scam or fraud investment platforms. And I can guarantee you guys that this platform can help you navigate the old world of internet much more safely, but there are certain things about them you need to understand before you proceed with them. So that is basically why I'm making this video today, and to know about the way this firm works and the kind of processes they involve along with the kind of services they offer, continue to watch this video till the end, and I'm pretty sure that you'll get answers to all your questions. Okay, guys, first things first, what is Cncintel, aka CNC Intelligence? Like, what is this platform all about? Guys, I'm pretty sure that you might have come across some kind of online scams, right? Like, it might be a fake shopping website investment scam, Bitcoin doubler scam, or basically any kind of online investment fraud. And also, there are instances of crypto wallets getting hacked, and there are millions of dollars lost on an yearly basis, right? Like, that is how the sector is evolving into. And whenever a retail client gets cheated out of their money, it is not only heartbreaking, but most of the time they pretty much do not know how to react or what is the next step to take, because obviously the traditional law enforcement agencies are not typically your best bet or best hope, right? So in those kind of scenarios, you can always hire a recovery agency. And even in this space, guys, you need to be very careful about the kind of firm you choose, because there are a lot of fake ones out there. Coming back to this corporation, guys, right off the bat, Cncintel, one of the most amazing or eye-catching thing about them is the way their team is structured.